Hi, I'm really excited about introducing my channel. Um, so for past 24 years, I've been thinking about different ways in which words, the sound of words, have a deeper connection to the meaning of the word. Most people assume that there isn't a connection. The one thing that's well known is onomatopoeia, right? So you have sounds of words that are sounds that the sounds actually mean something. Now, I've been looking at a deeper level of onomatopoeia. Most people don't even realize that this would be onomatopoeia, but the idea is that not just sounds imitate things, but also the actual letters themselves could be imitating parts of meaning. For example, think of the word touch, right? Now, what I realize is when you say touch, the tongue is touching for the first letter, touch. Also, the second consonant, right? Ch. So there is contact being made. I speak, and what's good about this is if you speak several languages, you could see and test what I'm saying. So the idea is that it's not just about sound, it's also about the action of the speech organs. As we speak, something is happening. And that's all of what I'm doing. I'm looking at a synchronicity or overlap between a sound, the speech production activity, what's happening to make the sound, and meaning to see if there's a connection, right? So going back to the word touch, I two other languages, one that I speak and then one that someone else speaks, like Arabic. I have actually assistants and people who are helping me. I'm paying for their help in Egypt. And so, like, they told me the word for touch in Arabic is, I think it starts with an L. I don't remember the exact word. In Hebrew, it's naga. So again, N and G, you're making contact. In Arabic, it starts with a word L. So the point is, how can letters, sounds, words imitate things? So let's say if you're talking about contact, touch, and there is touch. When you're saying the sound, you're touching, you're making contact in some way. That's one way that words, sounds can imitate something on a deeper level. What are your thoughts? What do you think? And I explore all kinds of ways in which imitation can happen. So I'm here to open up minds. This is open up my mind. So it's think of it as something playful. Just think of it as something fun. Before we worry about, is this true? How did this happen? Hey, how can the question I explore is how can a language, how can a word imitate something, not just with sound, with other things? That's what it's all about. And there are amazing things come have come out. So the kind of one of the central ideas is that the tongue can be acting like a finger in gesture. Think of a finger during gesture. Think of the tongue as a gesturing organ or the lips. So that's kind of what my work is about. 24 years of thought and exploration. Um, and I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Subscribe, like, and share and share. Thank you.